shocked. We went to him and said, you tried to commit suicide, why? And he said, in every exam I would get the gold medal. But in this exam I got the silver medal. I got second position. I could not handle it. I said, this is ridiculous. I told him, people are dying to enter into IIT. You're inside IIT trying to die. Doesn't make sense. In the same exam, 4 or 5 of my other friends failed in 3 or 4 subjects. In the same exam, they failed in 3 or 4 subjects. They were moving around the campus blissfully, peacefully, as if nothing happened, blessing others. टेंशन क्यों लेते हो? हमको देखो. So I asked them, you guys are strange, Pesharam, you are very shameless. The other guy got a silver medal, he's trying to kill himself. You guys failed in 4 subjects, you are moving around peacefully. What's your philosophy? They said, अपना philosophy simple है, कॉलेज में घुसना अपना काम है, निकालना कॉलेज का काम है. Pawan sir, I am not endorsing this view. But that was a moment.